And out of 4, Brian Tapp looking him over, and we're green. David Vincent leading him in the out of 2, down the back straightaway. Derek Arnett can really loose out of 2. He's going to fall back. Lap number 1. It's going to go to the 1W of David Vincent. David Vincent leading down the back straightaway, still looking very good and clean. Got a good story to tell on that team later on in the night. Now the 22R looking to challenge him up of Matt Rowe. Matt Rowe right there. Also right there is the 14 of Travis Crawford. Here comes Rowe to the inside of Vincent. Going to the inside, down the back straightaway into 3 and 4. Rowe on the bottom. Vincent right there on the outside. Now here comes Crawford. Travis Crawford getting held up. He had to hit the brakes. David Vincent still leading him. Matt Rowe right there looking for the mistake of Vincent. And Travis Crawford gets into Matt Rowe. Matt Rowe really got loose and Crawford got around. Oh boy, here we go. Now we're having the factory stock fun. Now it's about to get good and interesting. And oh, trouble for Vincent. Debris coming off. He falls back. That'll put the 14 of Travis Crawford as your leader. And Matt Rowe to second. There we go. Heat 1 of 3 for your factory stocks. Let's see how this one will fish out. It's going to be fun. And we're back green. Crawford, a good start. Quickly getting away from Matt Rowe. Rowe and we got one looped around in 1 and 2. That's the number 13, Z of Brooke Barnes. Yellow coming out for Brooke. Schultz here on the front stretch. Probably give him a wave and an autograph. Yeah, give it up, Kendall Schultz. High dollar here. And we're back green. Matt Rowe quickly. And another drive shaft coming up. Man, that's the second one. Yeah, doggy. Looks like the 13Z of Brooke Barnes. Drive shafts falling out left and right here. And here we go. Crawford will bring us back. Hopefully no more drive shafts will fall out. This time, a better restart for Crawford. Matt Rowe, not as good of a restart, but it favored in the 14 of Travis Crawford, your leader. Crawford going to the top. Rowe trying to roll on the bottom, out of 4. Crawford getting away. And the 4 of Zoe Hyde falling back to the 44 of Timothy Roberts. Roberts getting around Hyde in 1 and 2. They're still side by side out of 2, nearly kind of fending paint. 2 to go for Travis Crawford. Matt Rowe gonna feel the pressure now to try to get around your leader, the 14 of Travis Crawford. Running identical lines down the back straightaway. Rowe trying everything he's got, trying to get up underneath him. White flag, one more trip around. Does a 22R of Matt Rowe have anything for Crawford? Crawford into 1 and 2. Rowe trying to diamond it off, out of 2 on the bottom. He might have a run down the back straightaway. Crawford and Rowe. Rowe right there. Rowe going to try to diamond again, and it doesn't work out. Travis Crawford wins it. Matt Rowe second. Then the 9 of Derek Arnett third. Then the 44 of Timothy Roberts. And Zoe Hyde rounding him out. Heat 1 complete. Heat 2 next up. 2 more heat races remain. Gotham on the pole. Blake Hansen on the outside, front row. Brian Tapp looking them down, and we're green. And trouble. We already got one looped around. That was your leader. And Dustin Robotham fell victim as he smacked him hard, and looks like he's going to come to a stop also. Also getting stopped, the 21H. Now on the pole to start us. Brian got the green in hand, and here we go. Brandon Jarvis with a good start. He quickly gets away from the field going into 1 and 2. And this time, everybody getting out at turn 2 down the back straightaway. Brandon Jarvis really leaning it good with a nice, beautiful number 10 machine. Leading lap number 1, Jarvis. And Ricky Bledsaw getting really sideways, gets into it, the tractor tire momentarily, and was able to avoid the next one. Luckily, the tire's out of the groove. We're staying green. Made a little bit of contact going into 2 with the 22 of Kevin Wasserman. Wasserman able to continue on. Ricky Bledsaw trying all he can to get back around the 22K of Kevin Wasserman down the back straightaway. Kevin has him by about a car length going into 3 and 4. Bledsaw trying all he can. Running same line, mimicking Wasserman. As back to the leader, Brandon Jarvis, a whole straightaway lead, and all around goes the announcer's curse of 22, Kevin Wasserman. And so we'll go green out of 4. Brandon Jarvis will lead us. And here we go. Jarvis quickly back to a nice run. Jarvis will lead him. Here comes Chris Hewitt looking to go to the inside of Bledsaw. Out of 2 down the back straightaway. Kevin Wasserman also made the pass to the 89 of Dustin King. Jarvis quickly on the point for the lead. Ricky Bledsaw, Chris Hewitt. Hewitt on the bumper, Bledsaw for second. Hewitt halfway. Brandon Jarvis, your leader. They're side by side for second. Bledsaw got away from him. Bledsaw pitches it in, good into 1 and 2. Here comes Hewitt on the bottom, out of 2. They're door to door, number to number. Bledsaw, a better run going into 3, out of 4. Hewitt has it locked up on the bottom. Bledsaw able to get away. But now Bledsaw knows Hewitt's there, going to try to hold him off. Hewitt back to the bottom, out of 2. A good run. Out of 2. Bledsaw gets him though, getting into 3, and that's where it matters most. And out of 4, with 2 laps remaining, they're going hard for the second spot. With 2 laps remaining, but into 3, the number 10. Brandon Jarvis, we'll see. White flag, 1 more trip around for BJ. BJ leads them out of 2 for the final time. Drives past a nice, beautiful scoreboard. Into 3 and out of 4. BJ, Brandon Jarvis wins Heat 2 for the factories. And turn 2, we got one 360. Gets it back, it's the 89, Justin King. Checker flag, second place. Who's it going to be? Ricky Bledsaw got her done. Chris Hewitt, Kevin Wasserman. And then we'll await the rest. It looks like maybe the 89, Dustin King. Yep. And then the 21H of Blake Hansen. Here we go, Tommy Lawley's going to lead us on the pole, looking for redemption after the last race here. And Lawley with a good run. Also with a good run from the tail, the J4 Jim Keen really fired it off on the back front stretch. They went 4 wide and now 3 wide down the back straightaway. They beat and bang. Ah, yeah. That's what we love to see out of the factory stocks. And now they're 3 wide out of 4 for the lead. Oh my goodness, hold on to your pants. This is some good stuff. Jim Keen leading now. Tommy Lawley on the outside for second. Aaron Keene side by side for second. Lawley falling back. Now they're going 3 wide for fourth once again. Oh man, the 41. Sean Brownlee blew the doors away from him. And now here comes Double D to the inside of the 22 of Mullins. Mullins not having it. Mullins sliding way up the track. The 101B of Gourd crossing him underneath down the back straightaway. And now Double D looking to go to the outside of the 101B. D on the outside. Now he's going to quickly shoot it off to the inside out of 4. Double D to the point. Going to get up to the 6th spot. Slides it to him in 1 and 2. Halfway now. 4 laps remaining for the J4. Jim Keene, Aaron Keene, Tommy Lawley, your top 3. Jim leading in. Oh, Tommy Lawley, 360s at the bottom of 2, and looks like he's going to park it there. Yellow coming out for the 14T of Tommy Lawley. Tabor, Double D, and then Tommy Lawley. Looking him down, and we're back green. Sean Brownlee quickly getting to the inside of Aaron Keene, slides it up to him in 1 and 2. Keene going to try to cross him back underneath. Didn't stick out for him. Brownlee getting away from the 34. Down the backstretch into 3 and 4. Aaron right there back to him, and it looks like troubles for your leader. A right rear going down for the J4. He's falling back. Here comes Sean Brownlee to the inside. Slider for the lead. Sean Brownlee slid it to the J4 of Jim Keene. And now to the lead, the 41 of Sean Brownlee. Now here comes the 34 of Aaron Keene. Going to try on the J4. He's going to the outside. The J4 right rear really going. He's going to have to go to the infield now. Aaron Keene on the outside. Tommy Lawley trying the inside. Down the back straightaway. Tommy Lawley trying to catch back up to him. 2 laps to go. Sean Brownlee, your leader. Aaron Keene, Tommy Lawley, Double D. And rounding us out, the 22, Timothy Mullins in Tabor. Sean Brownlee leads us going into 3 and 4. Aaron Keene, Tommy Lawley. Brownlee slid it Ray up the racetrack. White flag, 1 more trip around as Double D goes off to the infield. Lap traffic right in front of the leaders. Is it going to be an issue down the back straightaway? The lap car really slowing it up, and oh man, they split the difference 3 wide. Here comes Aaron Keene, and Aaron drove it right into him, and then Aaron got just door banged. Brownlee won it. Tommy Lawley now in his second. Factory stocks, man, you gotta love it. Now, you can't picture a finish quite as entertaining as that one. Oh, man. That was some great stuff right there. Sean Brownlee, your victor for the final heat of the night.